Over centuries, the increasing demand of natural resources has left us with less for the future. It is time we take a step back and rethink sustainability. Bangladesh Apparel Exchange launched their first ever event, the Sustainable Apparel Forum (SAF). The summit discussed know-hows among the RMG experts, professionals, entrepreneurs to help them better exercise sustainable practices. With warm, welcoming remarks by founder and CEO BAE, Mr. Mustafizuddin, the grand event was officially inaugurated by the Honorable Commerce Minister Tofail Ahmed on Wednesday, 17th May 2017. Policymakers, delegates, top brand representatives, academics, environmentalists, representatives from apparel industry and distinguished speakers from home and abroad exchanged knowledge and views. Inaugural program and panel discussion, making sustainability easier. The 4 interactive sessions conducted by 23 local and foreign speakers throughout the day highlighted few distinct areas of development, providing a comprehensive roadmap in the end. Knowledge Session 1: Saving water, resources and cost, the must-knows for our factories.
I think this is the biggest platform what I have seen right now, what is happening in Bangladesh, with getting the entire apparel industry at one forum and trying to even understand how various agencies can come together, they can meet the common goals of sustainability.
Firstly, it was very well attended and it brought together all the key stakeholders, global brands, so buyers, it brought together the factories, brought together governments, particularly the embassies and also the development agencies.
Knowledge Session 2: Energy Efficiency, how to optimize energy consumption and reduce cost.
So it's important because you have partners coming from different countries, different experiences, exchange of experience, and then you can understand what is necessary for Bangladesh industry to integrate in order to create your own sustainable industry.
I believe that with this kind of forum is very much indeed needed in this sector, and to make more sustainable in the price competition, to more competition with the value chain and the more competition with the environmental as well.
Knowledge Session 3: Green Factories.
What was good about the seminar today is that there are several companies giving best practices in the production side, best practices in production side as well as in Bangladesh. And these kind of innovations are needed to bring the business forward. So it was great to see all the companies here presenting their best efforts today.
I think that gradually we'll move more and more in this concept to make this business more sustainable. It's not impossible, it's a target that can be achieved, and these special situations like SAF is helping to bring attention, to take attention to this argument, because sustainability cannot miss, is something that can't be escaped in the future.
Knowledge Session 4: Sustainable Financing.
What the Sustainable Apparel Forum does is that it brings people together from government, from industries and from other stakeholders like myself from a development organization. So it's important to bring these stakeholders together because it's something that has to be done in cooperation. It's not dependent on one stakeholder group like the industries alone. This is about working together to create a more green and a more sustainable future for Bangladesh industry.
We find that as companies are willing to look at their processes, they find opportunities to change the chemicals, to reduce spills and leaks, to do insulation, to cover some of the equipment, to recover water. Many opportunities are available once we start looking at industrial processes.
Discussions targeted at establishing a more sustainable apparel supply chain with the specific aim of creating a better future together. The Sustainable Apparel Forum worked towards offering the exchange of knowledge pertaining to the environment and green economy.